So your debit card was lost or stolen, and you don't have a new number to make purchases online until your new card arrives. I'm going to show you how you can get around that. So in my case, I lost my wallet. I reported my debit card as stolen. What was really nice was my bank updated my Android wallet automatically, so I can continue to use Tap to Pay. For those folks with an iPhone, that's Apple Pay. Really convenient. So I'm able to use my card when I go to the store at the places that will accept Tap to Pay, and I can pay for things. However, until the new card arrives, I have no access to the new card number to use for online purchases. Like the digital wallet doesn't display the actual card number. So there's a solution. You can use privacy.com. So privacy.com is a service that provides virtual debit cards to help users protect their payment information and maintain their privacy when making online transactions. Essentially, this will create a debit card number that you can actually use to make purchases. There's a lot of control that you can have with it. I do want to state that I'm not affiliated with nor sponsored by privacy.com. And when signing up, make sure you read their terms and conditions and privacy policies. So what do? You go to privacy.com's website, you sign up. After you sign up, what you're going to do is you're going to connect your privacy.com account to your bank account. And what that'll do is that'll actually use your bank's routing number and account number to use for these virtual cards. Once you've connected that, you can go to the interface and you'll see that there'll be an option there to create a new card. So you'll select that, select the virtual card option, give it a name or don't, it doesn't matter. And so it'll generate a new debit card number for you along with the expiration date and the security code. And just make note of this. Now it defaults to set a no limit transaction, which means you can continue using it elsewhere. Something optional that you can do is you can actually set restrictions on the card. You can actually use these as like burner debit cards. So let's say you don't want to give a website full access to your card or let's say your bank account, and you can set it for like single use, and you can set a spending limit so that they can't use it more than once. After that, the card is done. And then if you need a new card, you just generate a new card. And there's no costs involved in any of this. This is something that's actually free to use. But like I said, read the privacy policy to understand and the terms and conditions as well. But anyway, hope it helps. I mean, it helped me greatly. I was actually able to order some stuff online while I'm still waiting for my card to arrive during the busy holiday here. So anyway, I hope this helps you guys.